Truck's all packed up. Or car. Sorry, the car is all packed up.
Yeah.
We're ready to go.
Oh my gosh, it's so hot. I really hope it is cold over there.
It is. It's snowing. It doesn't snow when it's hot. I don't know if that's going to be enough, Anna. Just being honest. Now, if it was like this temperature in Japan, I think we'd be straight.
Oh, yeah. We wouldn't need no hoodies.
We would need hoodies. We could have packed a lot lighter. Shorts and t-shirts.
Yeah, honestly.
Summer vacations is the move from now on, it seems like.
No, I don't want to travel on this summer. It's too hot for all that.
It might be. Well, we'll check back in when we're at the airport.
Ooh, I can't see.
Huh? What? I told you I could have got it. All right, time is now 2 o'clock, almost. Yep.
Oh, really? Almost 2?
No, it's 2:10, 2:05. But we just made it to the airport. We got 3 hours in front of our flight, before our flight. We'll check back in after we check in, I guess, yeah. All right, we just made it through TSA and everything. Now we're headed to our gate. You know, you gotta scope out the gate before you get there. That's rule number 1 of the airport, right, Anna?
Yeah. I'm not seeing it yet.
No, it's B9. So it's gonna be down here at the end. But, you know, we can, once we see it, we can go find food or, you know, some snacks or something. Yeah, I'm not even hungry either. I feel like I'm too excited to eat, you know?
We ate before we came, so.
That too. We did eat before we got on, you know, got in the car. On the plane now. All right, baggage claim. I think you can go to either one. Oh my goodness. They're both full. Yeah. The flight was pretty good at least, you know?
Yeah, it was.
Not very bumpy. That is true.
You had to keep taking your ear.
Yeah. But she was friendly.
Yeah.
We finally made it out of baggage claim, didn't we, Anna?
Yes.
It took a little bit longer
Alright,
than we expected, but it's okay.
Yeah, you guys came ready. Is there anything packed in here? Is there anything packed in
These
here?
are like half packed.
Oh, okay. I
So-
thought you just came with them in bags.
No. You said what now?
Those look sturdy.
Yeah. They should be for like $100 bucks. I mean,
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if that's expensive for a suitcase, but it's expensive for
A
me.
year in the making and it's finally happening.
Yeah. So our initial plan was to leave on the latest flight out of Denver, which would have been around 9 or 10 o'clock that night. But Caitlin and Madison saw that a winter storm was coming towards Denver that day. So they decided that we needed to leave earlier because of that. This is one of the countless things that lined up perfectly on this trip, because later that night we started to see flights from Denver getting delayed and canceled left and right. So this was 5-star play calling on their part. And had they not done that, it might have ruined the whole trip. All right, back to the video. Thanks. It's Friday now. Everybody else is still sleeping, but we're awake. Today we're gonna go to San Francisco for the whole day, and then tomorrow morning we catch our flight to Tokyo. Are you excited, Ayana? Yeah. All right, we're on the plane now. Headed to San Francisco.
We gotta de-ice the plane, probably.
You gotta film the de-icing, Ellis.
It's all sunny here. Completely different
I hope it's not too hot, because I really don't feel like
I don't think it's hot. Look at the people down there. They're all wearing hoodies.
Yeah, but they're
Everybody's
like
down. I think it'll be fun.
Come on. Go sit in the seat.
Oh, I can have a seat in there? Gosh.
Just don't take off without us.
Oh, don't. You ain't got to worry about me. I barely wanted to take off the first time.
Awesome. Yeah?
Yeah, this is great.
Yeah,
This is
pretty
a lot.
simple. This is just
Pretty
the gas.
simple.
Yeah, that's how you start it. Speed brake when you want to go slower, pull that out. Flaps when you want to fly slower, you bring it down. Landing gear, put the wheels down with that. This is all our navigation and terrain. This is tells you if the plane's banking, climbing, descending, our airspeed, altitude. This is the box, the brain. You just program. It's just like your GPS in the car. It just gave us our clearance, so I'll accept it. It tells us how we're going to get there, frequencies, altitudes, our squawk. I put a number in here and it tells them who we are, so they keep track of us. And now you know how to do it.
Yeah, I could probably do it on the way to Japan.
There you go, right?
Oh wait, where do we find our bags?
Oh, hold on.
Oh.
I'm gonna freak out, baby. Oh my god, baby, where do I go?
That's not the Golden Gate Bridge, is it?
No.
Oh, I was about to say.
Well, is it golden?
Well, I mean,
Well, the Golden State Bridge is not even golden, it's red. That's the Bay Bridge, so it connects San Francisco to
and we leave what now in 20 hours? 20 hours from our flight. This time tomorrow we'll be on the plane headed to Tokyo. Oh, that's what that is? That's what you guys were talking about? The Waymo?
Look, I may just get another car. You said
Yeah, I'll just walk from here, man.
Waymo.
There was somebody in it, but nobody driving.
You can walk.
That
The
is
thing on the top
crazy.
is like it scans everything around it. Yo.
This is definitely a place where it's like if you wake up and say, man, I'm bored, there's nothing to do. Like, what?
There's something new.
kind of like New York.
Wow.
I think it's ice skating. Yeah,
That's ice skating?
That's what I was talking about.
I don't know.
Hey, maybe you can find some nice boots in Macy's. Macy's or I don't know. I see the reflection.
Macy's
of
is over here.
Yeah,
Oh.
no, I just see the
Oh, you seeing the
reflection.
reflection?
Yeah.
Oh, you're
I was
pointing
like-
that way. I thought.
No, I was just seeing the reflection. I was like, there's a Macy's.
But it's so pretty and they got Christmas decorations.
Fucking go, Waymo!
Yeah, like on Elf.
It's because of the car. There's a
Waymo, go!
There's literally.
Whose headphones aren't even plugged in?
Who's?
His right there.
Oh,
They're not even plugged in.
no, they're not.
He's in his own world and his own world only.
Although it was a little.
It was very.
It looked very sketchy coming up, but. And we're inside the white line.
What the fuck?
You all right? Hold out your hand. Let me see if you're nervous.
You should have been recording that whole time.
I should have been, but I was too focused.
I know, you're
There
helping.
was a lot. I wasn't really helping, but there was a lot
And then
going.
the seat going down.
Yeah, and then the seat came down and almost crushed me.
Yeah.
Go to Macy's?
All right. Yeah.
Alright, go.
To
Why are
Macy's.
you running? Why are you running?
There's so much going on here. There's the train or the trolley or whatever. Then there's the protesters up here protesting something. Oh, they're protesting the Westin?
Extra large bus. Two buses.
Yeah, that's the one they had in Shang-Chi. I think they're protesting customers. They don't want anybody to come stay there.
that way to Osaka is 5,300.
Whoa, we gotta get a picture in front of that one, Ayana. There's a sign over there that says Osaka that way, how many miles, and then when we're in Japan, we can take a picture in front of the one that says San Francisco.
Oh yeah, it does say Osaka, 5,376
Well, there's more.
miles.
Oh, with the Jesus.
We gotta take a picture in front of that. Alright, we went shoe shopping, didn't see anything. You didn't see anything, did you? Alright, so now we're about to go to see the Golden Gate Bridge. All the touristy things in San Francisco.
I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy and I know that devil. Like the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh.
Next Alice, we're gonna make you walking.
This is insane. Isn't it crazy, Ayana? It's insanely nice. Oh, I'm sorry. Alright, so our flight is different than theirs. Our flight is different than theirs going to Japan. So even then she said that we would have had to go through this security down here. That's what she told the other lady that was right in front of us. Yeah, and it looks like they have them completely separated instead of like at some airports where they're connected still. But that's what this couple in front of us, and that was their problem.
Yeah, because hers is smaller carry-on.
But now we have to wait until the United check-in gate thing opens up anyways. Alright, so we're through getting our, we put our bags in the check bag thing. Now we're about to go through security and probably get some food on the other side. What are you thinking?
No, I'm definitely hungry.
Yeah.
I didn't even eat last night.
Yeah, I didn't eat anything, but it'll be alright. Alright, we've returned with the food. That walk to go get it took quite a bit out of us though, didn't it?
Yeah. It was like 20 minutes.
Yeah, it was a long way. My shoulders are hurting from my bag.
Mine too.
But it'll all be worth it. We're at the gate. Just waiting for the airplane. Made it to the airport. The flight was very good. It was just a very long time to be on an airplane. All right, now we just gotta wait for Caitlin and them to get here, and they shouldn't be more than a couple minutes. That might be them texting me now. Sure is. That's Caitlin. So we didn't know this at the time, but Caitlin and the rest of the group were actually in a whole different terminal than we were. This wouldn't have been a big deal if we had known beforehand that there were multiple terminals and we could have set up for that, but we had no idea. So we spent around 30 minutes looking for them, going up and down different stairs, running all around our terminal while they were doing the same in theirs, trying to find each other. Then we spent another 30 minutes pushing through the crowd at the train station under the airport, but I'm just gonna cut through all that and get back to it. Okay, so now we're about to get on the train. to take us to Tokyo, where we'll catch the bullet train. I just realized I wasn't filming this entire process, but it's a lot. What are you thinking, Ayana? I'm just trying to get what you're thinking.
I'm just sitting in line. I'm just waiting.
Okay. What about you, Caitlin?
Feeling all the vibes.
Okay. Feeling all the vibes. Got it. We're about to get lost in the city. Welcome to my room for the time that we're in Japan.
Your room?
Our room. Welcome to our room. So right as you walk in, you got the closet. It's a very small room, but it works. Right over here, you have the bathroom. You gotta come over here. Yeah, the bathroom, once again, very small, but it's nice and clean, which is the main thing. So we should be good. After that, moving down this way, we got our bed. There's a regular full-size bed in here. And well, it's kind of tough, but it's all right. We got the TV on the wall, so we don't get bored tonight. And this super long desk with a fridge under here, coffee maker, and all that stuff. So yeah, that's the room we're in.
I'm tired. We just gonna go get some food.
What? So we got some food from the store down the street from the hotel and then went to sleep. Pro tip for traveling that I learned on this trip: if you're traveling and you want to avoid jet lag and the whole being tired on your first couple of days, I would try to end my travel day at the end of the day, you know? So in our case, we were going all day and then we got to the hotel finally at like 9 at night. And we were all really tired, so we were able to go straight to sleep since it was so late. But if we had got there around 4 or 5, we would have been really tired and we would have had to fight sleep all the rest of that night, or we would have just went to sleep and been tired the rest of the days. This is another thing that lined up perfectly that would have made this trip much worse had we not done that. And that was sort of accidental, so I mean, that worked out well. But that's the end of part 1. Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the notifications and subscribe. That way you'll know exactly when I drop part 2, and I'll see you in the next one.